Good morning. It is Saturday, and today I'm going to show you what I eat in a day for healthy, balanced meals as well as fat loss, especially on a busy day. And all the stuff you see behind me, that's all the shelves and everything that I'm going to use to reorganize our closet. Let me show you what it looks like because it is in desperate need of reorganization, and I've wanted to do that for a very long time. Very, very long time. Let's go.
Here's the current chaos. I will show you a quick overview of the before and the after. I can't wait, but it'll also include timestamps so you can jump to the meals if you want to. For breakfast, we are having this multi-seed bread that I love. If anyone ever told you you cannot or should not have bread or carbs while you're trying to lose weight, do not listen. I come from a culture that loves bread, and so I always include it almost every day. And then we have eggs. I added some extra egg whites for extra protein. Be mindful of oils. Cooking sprays are easier to control than just regular olive oil. And then if you are tracking, which if you're trying to lose body fat is going to be super useful, something I hear a lot is that it feels overwhelming in the beginning. So here you can see how I just have everything sitting up there and I just zero out to the scale all the time.
Breakfast, it is super balanced. We have carbs through the bread, we have protein in the egg whites, the turkey bacon, the salmon, and the turkey slices, so you can adjust that super easily. We have a little bit of fat in the egg yolk and the butter. So yeah, super friendly. This keeps me full for many hours. I love it, and it's really easy to adjust to. So if you needed more protein, honestly, you're not gonna need more than this, but if you needed more, you could do more of the turkey slices, more egg white. And if you need less fat, you can take away the turkey bacon or have just one slice instead of two. It's just super easy to adjust to what you actually need, your calories, your macros, all of that. And it's fun, and it's so not restrictive, very satisfying. So gonna dive in. Welcome to the madness. Look at this. So the closet is almost empty. Everything's out here right now. Everything. I don't know about you, but like when I was younger, I didn't really care too much about, having everything organized and tidy in boxes and blah, blah. But there's something that happens after 30 where like clutter and a lack of organization and tidiness just drives me crazy. And like my mental state needs the physical organization to be mentally clear as well. And no, I'm not the only one here. So I feel like this is going to be so good and so satisfying. Right now, obviously, it's complete chaos and it looks horrible, but there's a method to the madness.
I was in the zone. So lunch was warmed up chicken breast that I had meal prepped, some air fried fries, and light mayo, light ketchup, and steamable veggies. So very quick. And of course, I had my favorite sugar-free drink in a wine glass because fancy, you know.
made protein ice cream. And so I recently got the Ninja Creami. I've been obsessed. It is so good. The only thing is I've been trying to figure out the right settings with the right ingredients to get the right texture, because sometimes it comes out very powdery and I hadn't really figured that out. But this is super creamy. Banana protein milk, like the Fairlife protein milk, some cinnamon and coconut shreds, and like the texture is perfect. It's perfectly creamy. So I'm very excited. I don't know if I'm gonna have all of it. I might have half. I'll see how I feel. But yeah, by the way, today is completely improvised. I did not plan any of the meals that I had today. I'm just going by, I don't know what comes up.
And what came up was we went salsa dancing to our friend's studio. I did my makeup in the car and we caught a beautiful New York City sunset. At the studio, we were greeted by this insane cuteness.
Asuka ball. Asuka ball. Oh my goodness. Asuka.
Normally, I would have a balanced dinner as well, usually veggies, protein, some kind of meat, and sometimes dessert if I wanted, but we danced the night away. And it was a very, very fun night. I hadn't danced like this in a long time. I wore my heels, so my feet hurt. In case this glow up is as satisfying to you as it was for me, I'll show you one more time. This is a different kind of video from what I usually do. Normally I show my meals, I post workouts where you can just click play and follow along. I post my meal prep videos and general fitness tips and education. So I hope you enjoyed this one. I kind of wanted to show you a day in the life as well, a little bit of the behind the scenes. Post your content requests below or any questions that you might have. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure to do so, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.